Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter lock screen. Go to screen lock type, confirm, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks and 2 biometrics. Let's start with swipe and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select PIN. Now let's select password. And in the end, let's select none and pattern. Once it's done, we can go to Biometrics and we can set up our face as face recognition unlock method. Simply scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is fingerprints. Simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now let's use fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.